Thinking of starting your first aquarium? Here are the 7 best freshwater fish that are beautiful, hardy, and perfect for beginners. Number 1. The betta fish. Known for their stunning colors and flowing fins, they're low maintenance and can even live alone in small tanks. Just don't put 2 males together. These tiny, glowing beauties love swimming in groups. Neon tetras are peaceful, easy to care for, and add a pop of color to any tank. Say hello to the cleanup crew. Corydorus catfish are bottom feeders that help keep your tank clean, and they're super cute in a group. Small, colorful, and always on the move, guppies are incredibly easy to breed and come in endless varieties. Mollies are gentle, social, and live well in community tanks. They're also adaptable to different water conditions, which is great for new fish keepers. Colorful, playful, and peaceful, platies get along with most fish and bring energy to any tank. Plus, they're super beginner-friendly. Tough and fast, zebra danios are perfect for those just starting out. They tolerate a wide range of temperatures and love to zoom around. Start simple, choose wisely, and enjoy the peaceful beauty of freshwater fish keeping. Which fish is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.